If the printed content is missed, please print multiple times on the paper to check the printout. If the missing printing positions are the same, please clean the nozzle of the ink cartridge to resolve. Firstly, wet the dust-free cloth or facial tissue with alcohol. Then wipe the nozzle repeatedly to remove off the dirt and residual ink. You should be able to print a complete content. If the missing printing positions are different, the cartridge may have air entered or become dry. This is due to the nozzle being exposed to the air for a long time without covering the protective cap. In this situation, please put a dry tissue against the ink nozzle and shake the cartridge around 10 times. If the problem persists, you will need to replace with a new ink cartridge.